We got good time.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You know we can't go away.
Hello.
You people can't go away.
I'm trying, Grandma.
Girl.
What's in the bag?
Yes, I am.
Oh, give me a hug. I miss you so much. Grandma, you're not putting on weight either. You alright?
I'm going to pain.
What pain?
The pain that kill me, my waist, all on my knee.
Really?
Hot me.
Hold on, let me get... Hold on, I'm coming. Go fix it there, your mama.
Eh?
Go fix
It's the best. It's the best. Me I tell you, if I'm on peace behind the go that's the best. Where they going? Your big door. Where they put on? You don't put on so much weight for. What you mad? You were mad, you know. You don't know how in grammar.
Bye, Lise. Love you. Bye.
Thank you, Lola.
Yola.
Lola.
Look at the world boss came to visit me.
Tell me.
Chicken? How much is chicken?
Chicken back, chicken back, one.
How much is that?
Number 500.
500? Did you miss me?
I miss you.
I don't
You
know.
miss me. You go treat me good. Yeah, my girl, man. Miss this man.
500?
I'm going chicken back on flour, man.
Where do you cook? You and Pangola still together?
No, man.
Why? You know I liked her 5 foot. 5 foot, I liked her bad. Bad.
Oh?
Pangola.
Do you like him, man?
I love her.
Seriously, we go back to him?
Yes.
All right. Whoa.
Yes, 5 foot.
Hmm?
It smells nice?
No.
5 foot, the shoes fit you?
What?
You like it?
Man.
You wouldn't even say yay or ray.
I saw me already, man. Say yes.
So I didn't buy you nothing else. I said 5 foot may not like it.
Huh?
Me didn't know if you like it.
Yeah, man, bad.
Bad?
The phone to the packet too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Mm.
Give me money. Go buy it.
Alright, hold on now. Me not have no change, 5 foot. Hold on.
Can you take money?
Mm.
Listen, when you get fat, this type of man.
Really?
Yes.
Me happy 5 foot.
I too.
Mm-hmm. What is 5 foot?
I didn't sit now.
Lord of God, 5 foot. Charles? I thought your name was Rocky.
I didn't name.
Yes, he put on me.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
Yes, I do.
5 foot asked me for chicken back money.
No shame me, man.
Yeah, me whooping the mouth.
Oh, for me, no, shame me.
Why? Why, man, 5 foot that why? Whoa!
5 foot's not easy. Mm-mm.
You look good, man.
Yes. I look like my mom. Mom looks good, right?
You can't tough on your own. You're taking things now.
My God, 5 foot.
I don't feel money where you work.
5 foot, why is your shoes...
Something like this style.
No like for me style, because people talk for right. Who do feel say people chat too much. You know, see your time hard.
I will come down.
Virus. What am I not doing? You don't know my business, man. You don't know if I buy me, they'll buy. I want me, they'll do.
My God. Where did 5 foot get bread food from?
No, name picky.
Mom, 5 foot lives here. Guys, we are going to country. 5 foot.
Oh, like catch up with yourself.
Yes.
My job is supposed to find.
Mirror.
Hey, he's a camera out there.
Put it upon him.
Oh, let me tell you.
Leash, butter. butter. Look past some.
Where butter there?
Right here in the camera. Say hi.
Oh, this is not for butter business.
Where did Sam go?
Come on, man. I'm going to put a cancer for
What country?
what country go do? Every day on what country?
No, I'm not to go.
Give him digging.
Hey, babe.
He's a camera for me. Can you put you in a problem through this episode camera we have done and the camera you know?
You might get a rich girl a fight. You stay there, no more man get girl a fight. They mind them right now.
He's up in camera business.
Make it turn. You jump here, must have
Let me
criminal.
let you see yourself.
You want it?
Oh,
I bet I
he's
can call
up.
about you. I bet you. Whether you live with one woman or not. Because you can't take woman can love you.
I will if I want.
And you feel know yourself. Tell me about a whole woman you have.
So I'm going to tell you the truth. What do you want me to tell you?
How you do with butter?
Eh?
You do with butter.
About time in the first place.
About time why?
I go married man. What about a married man? I have left that man there. Oh, Clyde, man must hear. Let me call up the butter in a problem and tell me.
Enter.
Oh, I'm coming like kitchen boy, butter now, this and all that. And that butter say no don't have to come down. You got butter say no have to come down.
How much flour butter eat?
How much?
How much?
I don't know. Yo. Butter, my friend, you don't do that. Where's your
Come on, so.
Bye, Sam.
One thing.
later.
What?
You know, you're well. You know, me and you man at the house up there all of that day. Oh, where you get for your... Delma,
Keep it.
where you get for your false argument them from?
Thanks.
And me and you man at the
Oh. Guys, my mom's trying to cross the road. My God, today. Look at mom. Mom found a way now. Look, mom crossed the street. Yes, I see.
Hey, stop me when I better quickly get your act together. Grab the cheddar and carefully put the mozzarella. Lots of fellas like Russell well ready for sell you. To the cops and watch them lock you in a cell forever. Tip your ups, watch them run up on Corella. Slip and slide, got to be a top gorilla. In the jungle, stop me whether there ain't no umbrella. Only the cable.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Bye, love you. Aww.
Where?
Guys, look at my mama. Huh?
Where?
Where that is featuring is off?
Right here. What does it say? Guys, we're at grandma's house.
You go back, mama?
No, I told her I wanted to.
Forever in my heart.
You ever put it on you?
Not no.
Why?
No.
Where?
I'm not going away.
You're going outside.
No, not no.
Is the chain too long?
Mm-hmm.
I know you love the fandangles, mama.
Mm-hmm. True.
Love the fandangles.
True stuff.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You can get a picture and put it in there. It opens. It's a locket.
Ah.
Look at all your fandangles. Look, you can put 2 pictures in it.
Oh.
Mama, let me see the dress you're wearing to the wedding.
Let me show my bag. You know, show my bag.
Yours and Lavelle's.
See what now?
Let me see. Oh! You know Mom dressed me?
Mom?
Yeah.
Mom,
Look
up
at me
there?
when I was a baby. Not a baby, but little.
Over there.
Yeah.
Let me go ask me what kind of dress is this?
Mom put me together. You didn't like it?
Eh?
You didn't like it? Let me see the
Yeah.
photo album. Yeah.
See that?
You didn't like it? Mom put me together. Yeah.
There, ma?
Yes. My God, I was so skinny. I'm looking at old photos of my grandma. Mama's giving me a goat. Mama.
So you don't mind it here?
I don't know. Why you want to mine it for me?
No, they don't mind it here.
She said her goat is pregnant right now. Dang, mommy's a hottie.
Eh?
Mom is the good looking one in the family.
Look, Pa. Really?
What was I? Why am I in the picture? I wasn't the flower girl. Why am I in this picture?
You won't lift my foot.
I wouldn't leave mom?
You won't lift my fractal.
Why would I? And I look so cute.
Well, what happened with eh? In the phone.
So y'all just put me in the picture?
Eh?
So you just put me in the picture even though I wasn't in the wedding?
Your must have to come. Your must.
That's what mom said?
Mom said, look better than the other girl. Come.
That's what mom said. Mom looks so good. Guys, look. My mom is so beautiful. It's blurry. Mom is so beautiful. Mom's the beautiful one in the family. Ooh, mom? Mom looks like her dad? Yeah. Guys, we are going to a grave digging. Grandma's back there somewhere. And then my cousin and my mom are in the front. You put on sneakers. Mama, a river used to be here?
No, I would.
Oh.
That road where in the drive, put on drive.
To the grave digging. Ooh.
One paper hands.
Look at my cousin. Are you single or no?
Huh?
Are you single?
To go on the vlog?
Yeah.
So put me on this.
All right.
Get this up in my cousin business, so.
I don't mind seeing your night.
I don't business. I don't business.
Alright.
Here your mom say, put it by your mom. She.
They love her.
Head cheap. One Alicia say, yeah, cuss me on video. What I say?
Kev, why are you so dressed up?
Eh? I'm not dressed up.
And you look so nice with your hair. You're so cute.
Oh my God, thank you, thank you. Come in the video and to vibe.
Yeah, you look so good.
Must get to a nice boyfriend in the video, you know. One foreigner.
Mm-hmm.
We not say nothing. We not gonna say nothing.
Kim, you look really. Don't we? Can we drive her?
Right through the song.
So where y'all walk, mama?
You walk through right this one go right.
So run us up, also short area, so.
Right this up behind the house, no Sherry.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah. Bye, love you. Bye.
Right this one, go to the road right this one.
Mama. Everybody put that there and see you.
We didn't go through that road right, so I'm right back at the house.
Oh, look at Mama.
You're right there in the house.
Mama. You guys are in the supermarket. Don't be greedy.
Ready, rock. You're hot.
I think it's asking for money.
Hey, this is take that careful.
Oh my God.
Everybody coconut.
Right.
Nothing?
Keep up there.
Pray for me. Guys, I'm saying goodnight to you. It's been a long day. Today my great grandma came and saw me. My 2 little cousins came. Finefoot came. And then we went into the town to drink some shakes. Mom, you think Monique will come on camera and talk about her stuff?
Yeah.
That would be so good. And then she could put up like her business, whatever, for people to contact her. And then Mom went and drank like this special tea and shakes that she loves. Mom's gonna get her to like talk about her products and stuff. It's really, really good. I've had it. Mom made it for me. And then we went to country for a little bit. There was a grave digging, but I didn't really vlog at the grave digging. But you guys saw my cousin Kamisha. That's where the grave digging was. And then we came back. I ate lunch. Mom gave me fish and rice. And then we went into the town for a little bit. And now we're back home. And that's it. Nothing really happened, really. It's just like the first few days, so we're just like making our rounds. And that's it. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like up the video, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Mom, you want to say goodnight?
Peace out.
Bye, guys.